Well, hello everyone. How are we on a Tuesday? Club going up on a Tuesday. That's right, hit you with the sound effects. What's up, y'all? Good to see you. I am Keith, also known as Professor Keith, also known as Carolina Keith. Or you can just call me Simp. I don't mind. Any way you want to do it. This is Crypto After Dark, and it's good to see everybody. I'm a little excited today. I hope everybody else is excited. It's been an awesome couple days here for me. I'm counting down the days on myself, and Mark Dolence sent me some new shit, bro, and I'm super lit about it. This is Coppercraft, Holland, Michigan, 2012, made in the USO, straight bourbon whiskey, bro. This is how you excite Keith right here. This is how I get emotional. I start playing Mariah Carey in my ears when I hear this, bro. Good to see everybody. We got some interesting things to talk about tonight. I've got Ethereum up on the screen first. That's what we're going to talk about first. If you haven't done so yet, please do me a favor and go hit the like button. Okay? This puts us up higher in the algorithm on YouTube, and they'll push us around more, and they'll show everybody what we're doing more if we have more likes. Also, hit the subscribe button while you're there. Why? Because you won't miss anything. And if you hit the notification bell, it'll remind you every single time we have a live stream, automatically for you right to your cellular device. So, let's everybody have a drink if you'd like. If you don't want to have a drink and you want to have a smoke, do your thing. I'm not going to be smoking. I'll be drinking because I like chill and relax while we do this. That's part of the reason I drink, everyone. Have a little drink and relax and talk things through and not panic, not be emotional. Ooh. Oh, this shit smells good. Let's rock. Ooh. Nice golden brown tint. I'm with it. Let's have a drink. Let's have a drink. Shall we? And we shall. Cheers, everybody. All right. That's got it's nice, smooth oak flavor. Not bad. I need to taste it a little bit more. Sometimes with whiskey, you got to give it a second. Whiskey and bourbon like this, you need a second to let it marinate. Who else in here real quick? What's up, Frank? I see you, brother. Shorty Guzman coming in second. He said, that smile of a man who's retired from his 9 to 5 and living the American dream. You mess with the best, die like the rest. Thank you, brother. One more day. Tomorrow is my last day of work. Hopefully forever. Hopefully forever. One more day, guy. One more. What's up, Nick? Good to see you, brother. Nomad, good to see you. Stifler in the house. Tower of Power. Too sweet to be sour. What's up, Pops? Good to see you. Raging Beagle, good to see you. Millionaire Shakespeare. Patrick F. Made my first trade on Hero based on off what I learned from Keith. Made a cool 13% profit. Let's go. 13% is more than we had when we started with. That's what's up. Kaysen, what's up? Good to see you. Gaglig, good to see you. Speed C, good to see you. Martin, Andrew, David Maynard, what's up, guy? Good to see you. First time early. Tiffany, good to see you, Miss Tiffany. Educated Dummy, what's up, brother? Got his drink out. Electric motherfucking Ken. He's at work, but he says, what's up? What's up, Jeremy? Good to see you, cuzzo. Radio Rice, what's up? Damn, my screen just flipped and jumped all the way over there. What's up, Hazel? Good to see you, Miss Hazel. How you doing? Martin, Hot Water Investor. Shep Stacks, that's a dope name. What's up, dude? Mark D, that's Mark Dolence, isn't it? Good to see you, brother. Thank you for the bourbon. Terry Brennan, good to see you, brother. Matthew Moore, what's up, dude? 619 OTA. Ain't seen you in a minute. Good to see you back. Captana, what's up? Patrick, again. Chase Irvin, one of the queens, Ashley Vandermeer. Water scientist. Figure that shit out. That's a job if you ever did. If you wanted a job where you didn't do anything, but you would call it a job, you'd go with water scientist. It's 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. Thank you. Manolo, good to see you. What's up, Corey? Hello, Jenny Chu. What's up, Jenny Chu? J1ZO, what's up, people? Steve J, smash the button. Not from libations. Cheer. Good to see you. Big Dex, what's up, brother? Good to see you. JB, Brian McAllister, we be hitting on. No, I will not be doing that tonight. I only do that in the Discord. Why? Man, the community is very sour, man. So I try to avoid it. And I keep it for the Discord people. Why? Because you guys deserve it more than the rest of the community, because you're unlike the rest of the community, which is fairly amateur, juvenile, and trash. But not here. We can kind of work above all that stuff. We're a different level of clientele. That's all there is to it. We're a different level above most investors. I know that sounds cocky and dickish, and that's not what I intend to mean. But it's kind of true, isn't it? We make better decisions here. We get in and we get out, and we think about what we're doing. We don't just make random bullshit gestures and make up random shit and talk about scams, which I'm not going to do on here. Ignacio, good to see you, brother. Bro. Oh my God, Andrew. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, dude. What Andrew Foria just put right there was, you better have a lab coat. Talking about hydrogen right now, dude. He's talking about Crystalia. Oh my God. So everybody, when you get off of here, I want you to go to YouTube and I want you to type in Crystalia. You're pushing me to the right. Just Google that on YouTube, okay? Crystalia, you're pushing me to the right. And it's fucking hilarious, dude. Okay? It's hilarious. I'm not going to be able to concentrate now because I'm thinking about that. Dang it. I should have never said that. Andrew's all over me. Peter Navarro, good to see you, brother. Mootlu, good to see you. All right. Let's get into water has memory. Let's get into this Ethereum chart. So right off the bat, the first thing I want to notice is one thing most people aren't going to pick up on is the downtrend that formed here still has not fully broken. What do I mean? You see these Fibonacci lines I got up here, and I'll take those off for a second. While you do have an 821 cross, you have not broken the downtrend yet. There's a couple ways I'm going to know this. Number one, this trend line is still holding here. Still hasn't broken. I need to see this break real quick, okay? There's a couple different ways you could pull this. You could pull it that the way I just pulled it. You could pull it down this way and say, okay, sure, you've broken the trend line. Maybe not. Maybe not. Pull it this way. Again, maybe not. You can argue that this is a higher low and a higher high. I can hear that argument also. The magic is when we pull the Fibonacci retracement on it. And we start to see that if we pull it from the top here to the bottom, which was down here, move it over to the side a bit so we can see what we're doing. We're starting to see that we still have yet to break that red box. What is that red box? The red box is the 50% Fibonacci retracement up. We have not broken this box. When we break this box and hold this box, which means come up here in this area, this would be a confirmed upward movement. We haven't gotten that yet. It's as simple as that. And yes, you could say I've caught the bottom and I bought some on the bottom and I made a ride up. That's fine. I understand that and I'm with it. That's actually pretty cool that you did that. Problem. Okay, problem. This isn't confirmed yet. In fact, if this bounces off this 50 fib and comes down more, well, that just farther confirms the downtrend, not the uptrend. We need this to bounce over that red box and hold it. If it can do that, again, I've got a green box highlighted right there. Why do I have that green box highlighted? Well, funny you should ask that. Some of the indicators kind of point that way. What do I mean by that? Pull up the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are floating in between the 50 and the 618. Randomly in between. As we get this upward price action or this sideways price action, you're going to see the bottom of the bands tighten, but the upside of the bands either go flat or point upward, kind of pointing to that spot. Number two, put a pivot up there. We put our pivot sets up there and we instantly see R1 is lined up identically with the 618 fib. Shows me kind of like foreshadowing. We bounced off of the pivot here. That was excellent. Bounced off with a morning star, excellent, and formed up. Now we need to make a higher high again. We haven't quite done that higher high again. That higher high would put us over the 50 fib, bouncing off the box, and perhaps coming up here and touching R1. Just hasn't happened yet, okay? Once we get that bounce, if we get that bounce, that's excellent. I needed to prove it first, okay? Just hasn't done enough yet to me to warrant saying it's over. Good news here. I don't want to give you all bad news because that would be the incorrect approach. Good news I see here is you see a clear inverse head and shoulders forming, okay? What do I mean by that? Inverse head and shoulders has a few parts. 2 shoulders and a head plus a neckline, okay? If you can imagine your body, I have a head and 2 shoulders here, okay? Tête, épaule, that's head and shoulders in French. So the neckline would be right up above the shoulders, or in the case of a head and shoulders pattern, below the shoulders. Here would be roughly below the shoulders. Okay? That green line there. I'll take the red box off so we can see it a bit better. We need this price action to break this green line and test it, which just so happens to be right around the 50% fib. That needs to break and hold first, simple as that, to prove this inverse head and shoulders. Yes, you have an 821 cross. That's good. I like that. Early buy sign, great. Indicators are all pointing in an upward fashion. RSI is broken 50. It's upward. I believe we're going to get this price action. May take a few days for it to happen, okay? But it hasn't happened yet. And until it happens, I don't want to give you a false confirmation. Right on the edge. It's also on the edge of being wrong. Very tight formation. If this breaks north, where will it go? Well, easy targets for that right there. 618 to 68 right near the golden pocket. Furthermore, our next target will be a little higher. R2's right up here near 786. Kind of makes me think it's going to take till at least the end of the month for that to happen, because the pivots are kind of running out. As these pivots shift, when these pivots shift, what they will, okay? Pivot's going to move up. When that happens, R1 and R2 is going to change a bit. And that's going to give us new targets. I'm betting you that this green box plus Sniper's Alley will be our two boxes. Why? Because this is the simple price action that we see all the time. It continuously happens over and over and over again. All right? There's no sense in arguing with the chart. We've seen it far, far, far too many times. Let's throw the cloud up here. Interestingly enough, you see a similarity in the cloud with what I just said. That green line right there is the 50% fib. Well, it's not exactly, but it's pretty darn close to it. It's still not broken the cloud. Nothing here has given me any indication that the cloud's ready to go, other than the conversion line breaking the baseline, the blue breaking over the red. That's good. Okay, that cross tells me good news. The lag line has yet to cross over the candles or the cloud. Nothing there. Still got a red cloud. Nothing there. The price is still under the cloud. Nothing there. In fact, that box I just mentioned lines up with the bottom of the cloud up top. Again, kind of shows me it's just not ready. And even if it does break this 50, it's going to get stuck in the cloud here. We don't buy in the cloud. We wait for the price to get over the cloud before we buy. Why? Because it's a confirmed buy. That's why. And it's much better to make a confirmed buy rather than a guess. Hey, everybody, this is technical analysis. We don't guess. There's no need to guess. We have the data on our side. We make informed decisions on whether to buy or to sell. You're just as good at making money by removing your money out of the market as you are by putting money in the market, okay? That's the beauty of what we do. We remove money just as fast as we put it in, and we are right on the edge right here of having to pull it back out. So be very careful and walk very lightly, okay? It's not quite over. So let me get into some of these questions here. I'm going to try to stick to my segments, which I've been failing at lately because you assholes get me drunk on here. By the way, if anyone doesn't understand it, when someone donates on here, I only get about 58% of it. The rest of it goes to Google. So if you'd rather donate later in the Discord, we have a wallet to donate to. We're going to be giving away some stuff here in a couple days. Don't donate on here if you don't want. Okay, why do I say that? Because Google gets a lot of it. But if you do donate on here, I drink. And that's just the way it is to it. I want you guys to relax in here, and this helps me get relaxed. Plus, it makes it fun. Okay? Let's answer some questions. What's up, bro? Good to see you, brother. And Angel, good to see you. Alvin Alberto, good to see you. Angel. Anna Hart, she said, hold on a second. Anna, too many strongholders are too bitchy when they hear it's on a downtrend. Absolutely. Thank you, Ashley. We shall talk about it in the Discord. It's what market does, so I understand, but I need to know if it will recover or not. In an end time, it may. We can talk about it more on the Discord. I just avoid it here because I don't want to draw that crowd. Something else I've noticed, y'all guys don't know the analytics of this, but Google and other things tell me the analytics, and it tells me that my ideal market is 28 to 45 age, not under 28. Okay, some of you are under 28, and I don't mean that to exclude you. What I mean is my target market is older than that. I don't want to have arguments with kids, And I don't mean that a 27-year-old is a kid and a 28 isn't. What I mean is an amateur investor. I don't want to have an argument with an amateur investor who doesn't understand technical analysis and really wants to have this heated debate that they can't really argue back and forth with. They just change it around a whole bunch to try to make an argument. That's not cool with me. Jeremy says we're getting bilingual up in this bitch. No, it's not a rug, Anna. Has to close for the daily with any part of the candle body or fully over generally. I like to see a close and a hold, Liam. 2 candles. Strong nodes have been put a rug pulled in my bank account. Take your profits. Thank you, Ken. Bro, has anybody heard about liver nodes? Have you guys heard about liver nodes? You should look it up on Twitter. Look up liver nodes. Rug said it. We done made liver nodes a thing. Snow crystal balls. Watch the chart. What Frank said right there. Jeremy says, ha ha ha, epic. Okay, should I buy the dip for strong or pass? Well, Anna, I'll tell you this. Buying the dip is not a strategy. Buying the dip is not a strategy. Buying the dip is something someone said one time when they lost a bunch of money. Okay? Nothing wrong with buying the dip, but it's just not a real strategy. Okay? You want to buy the bottom and sell the top. The problem is nobody ever sells the top. They only just ever try to buy the bottom. And they keep missing. Would you call this a bear market? Yeah, Jeremy asked me. Currently, yes. But not everything is in a bear market. Some things are, some things aren't. And because of that, I'll say there's a bearish trend, but it's not quite a bear market. Oh, shit. Ken, thank you, brother. 10 bones. Let's go. You know what? This is pretty smooth stuff. It has a little bit of bite to it, but it's not too bad. And there's not very much berry flavor or anything like that, which is good. It's just nice and smooth bourbon. Okay, nice and smooth bourbon. Not too much bite, just a little. It's nice. It's nice. It'd be a very good mixing bourbon, for that matter. You don't want a lot of bite in your when you mix something. You don't want to have a lot of bite on the end. Can you pull? Martin says, can you use the 100 MA to determine the trend, price above, upward, trust? I prefer the 200, Martin, rather than the 100, but yes, you can do that. What's up, Danny? Deep Pockets, good to see you. Logan, what do I think about pocket nodes? Would like to get your thought on the chart as well. Well, it's more of a pool right now than a node. So we can look at it, though. What's up, the mayor? Good to see you, brother. Tremaine the Great, what's up, dude? Ali, you know, he's smiling. King, my target market is old enough to know what good whiskey is. Bro, exactly. That's exactly right, dude. That's well said, sir. Shorty Guzman says, some kids never grow up, 100%. Stifler says, liver nodes, bro. Anyone heard of Revo 5? Sure haven't, Ryan. Never heard of it. Can you look at VRA and KDA? Sure. Have you tried Yellowstone, sir? It's great. No, I haven't, but if you would message me what Yellowstone is, I'd be happy to try it. I'll be honest with you guys right now. My liquor table is runneth over. I don't have any more room in here. We've been scouring the market trying to find a cabinet of some type. We haven't found one yet. So I got all this liquor kind of sitting here on this table and it's kind of spilling over the table. So there's a shit ton of liquor over here. Good to see you, Logan. So what you're saying is it Pocket Pool? Absolutely, Jeremy. It even says Pocket Pool on their website. It's called Pocket Pool, bro. What's up, Bill Childers? All right. That's Ethereum. That's what I wanted to get to. Real quick, jump to Bitcoin. As you see, Bitcoin looks very similar, only it's different location on this. I actually drew this out, what I thought was going to happen, and it played out pretty well so far. It went a little faster than I thought it would. The arrows came down a little faster. It didn't quite close this gap, so I don't think it's quite done yet. I think it still may come down here and touch again and try to close this CME gap right here before it goes up more. As you see, it's a CME gap right there. And then I show that upper target right there because the moving averages are starting to line out, and I think that's where it's going to head. I still like that $47,500 to $48,000 range for Bitcoin as well in time. It's not right now. 92 people in here. What's up, everybody? Good to see y'all, 92 folks. Get on over here in the comment section and talk it up, okay? Don't be shy. If you have questions, please ask. We have a shit ton of admins on here to help out whenever they can, okay? Plus, if I see your comment, I'll try to write it down. I'll try to get to it. 55 likes though. Y'all go hit like. See if we can get over 100 likes again. We had over 100 likes 3 streams in a row. We've had over 100 live stream viewers for 8 straight live streams. This will be number 9 if we have 6 more people come on, which is awesome. Also, again, since tomorrow is my last day of regular work until I retire, next week we may start doing the European streams. So we'll have streams at around lunch, hopefully. I'm not exactly sure the time yet because Google Analytics is a little iffy on the time. So, it tells me 6 p.m. and I can't do 6 p.m. But we'll try to work on that. Hopefully I can get a European time in there. And I don't know if we're going to change the theme from Crypto After Dark or not, because the Crypto After Dark has kind of become our thing. I may change it and do something a little touchy different. Not sure. We'll see. Let me write this stuff down. I see some stuff. KDA was one of them. Pocket was one of them. Someone asked me to do Gala and Flux, which I will do. Yep. RMark, RMRK, and then we got. I never heard of some of these. POLC, but I'll try Anna. Champ. This sounds like some shit coins here. You know how I feel about those. Love some of them. Dreams. Starting to sound like a J. Cole song, doesn't it, Andrew? Pleased. I feel like she's dropping keywords and she just want me to look at random shit, bro. Keith, do a French accent. I cannot work with such horrible conditions. That's the best I can do with my French accents. Stackos. And then we got IG and H bar. All right. And then I see CRV, please, over here. We'll get a good list here and then stop because it's hard to get through all of them. Gluten-free nodes soon. Gluten-free is pretty good, dude. Euros will drink you on the table. Bro, you're not even joking, dude. Germans, they will fucking put you on shame if you try to drink beer with a German. They will laugh at you, dude. I said someone saw Highland Park 16-year-old BC Brews. Dog, that's awesome, dude. I'm glad to see you. It's a little late for you out there in the 16-year-old world, but hey, whatever. Don't drink. You're not old enough yet. Anybody in Planet Watch? No. Helium? No, I'm not in, but I have a helium monitor. Can we chart planets? I'll try. Usually what we do is we look in the sky for that kind of shit, and we see that there are planets. Yeah, it was kind of a shitty joke. Zoom calls on Tuesday nights are admin only. We try to plan stuff when we're going to get Keith 2 trashed. Exactly, Jeremy. Thursday night we do Zoom classes for all the unlimited members. What is an unlimited member? If you see right here, it says patreon.com/Carolina Keith right here at the bottom. You go on Patreon and you sign up. There are 2 levels. There's an $8 level and a $16 level. The $16 level gets you unlimited access to our Discord. Also, on Thursday nights, we do live Zooms for the unlimited members after the stream. But when I retire here, we'll be doing more stuff like this and more stuff like this, and it'll be for the unlimited members or the Mafia members, the $8 members. We're going to start doing different stuff and have different times for different things, okay? Be ready for all this. I told you guys we're going to grow exponentially here and big things are on the horizon. It's not just a little rinky-dink come on and shoot the shit for an hour stuff anymore. We're going to get bigger and bigger, okay? We're going to expand our knowledge and we're going to pull people out of the space of unknown and put them into the space of knowledge. That's my goal. That's what I want to see. I want to see a smarter community, okay? Simple as that. Smarter community. Crypto before dark. That's not a bad idea. Or I could call it Euro something or another. I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. 93 viewers. We're almost to 100. Not quite there yet. We only have 71 likes. So if y'all would go hit like real quick. See if we can get to 100. Can we look at A0? Never heard of that one, but I'll try. And Jewel, we've done before. Some of you guys are getting excited because we're seeing some charts kind of reverse, but not quite. 16-year-old is the age of the whiskey, bro. Thank you. Dude, that's some gnarly shit you're drinking. Ooh, 16-year-old whiskey, that'll put you down. Will you get drunk at 7 p.m.? I probably won't drink on the European stream because I'm not trying to drink with no Euro dudes. Those guys will make you look funny. Are we still bullish on XRP? No, I haven't been bullish on XRP in quite a while, big country. It's not a buy. No, I'm not. In particular, no. Germans are phenomenal beer drinkers, and if everyone doesn't know they drink beer at room temperature, absolutely, that's their thing, room temperature beer. Terry Brennan says you read it wrong. Yeah, my fault, guy. Sorry about that. GGG Guardian Chains. I'll try to get to that one too. All right, let's go through some of these. KDA first. All right, Cadena, same problem. Under the 50 and under the trend at the same time. This is not confirmed yet. Even though we've got some indicators that look good, you're going to get faked out if you're not careful here, okay? These indicators are jogging sideways at best, and we're still under this green box, the 50 fib. I need to see it do a little more first. It's still right on the edge. Not quite. Yes, it is technically a buy, but it's not quite ready yet. Pocket. Then I have to go over to this one for that. There's Morpheus. Morpheus is not quite there yet either. Pocket Network. All right, as we see on the daily chart, not very much stuff here to look at, but it is not a buy on the daily yet. Maybe I got a better one somewhere. A little more data, not too much more. Similar situation, still not quite a buy just yet, kind of flat. Gala. Then we'll do Flux after this. Gala's down 5% today so far. Had a good day yesterday. As you see, this thing broke the trend and kind of bounced off. Excellent play here. Pull the pivots up. Stuck in between the pivot and the R1. It has broken over the 8 and the 21, and it looks like you're going to get a back test here of the 8 EMA. Looks like it's going to come back and test this 8 EMA. Again, sideways indicators. This thing could jog on you. If it doesn't jog on you, we have that same formation of an inverse head and shoulders here. See that? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Excellent play. It just needs to break this neckline right around in this area here. Break that neckline and hold it, and we're going to jump up here and get moving back up to this support and resistance zone around 50 cents. But first things first. 2 more people for 100, y'all. 2 more people for 100. Let's go. 81 likes. 19 more likes for 100. We're going to get there. We got a whole another half hour. What's up, Justin? I see you, brother. Miss Beverly's got you under control, I hope. Lev Hacks, can you check? Nope. Someone's already asked me for that one, Lev. We only do that one in the Discord. The community is quite toxic. And I don't want to be known for the guy who just charts that. Because then I'll be known as toxic too. Gala, I like. Flux. There. All right. Similar. I got a better one here. There we go. That's better. All right. This one kind of sucks too. Bounced off the pivot, hit the 50 perfect. And after it hit that 50 perfect, it failed. And now it's doing it again. Lower highs and lower lows. I need to see something more from Flux here. Even though you're over the 821, it all looks to be jogging sideways. Support here at about $1.60. Not good enough. You're so close, but it's not quite good enough for Flux yet. R mark. Let's see if I can find this. There it is. Or remark. Maybe it's a remark. I don't know. All right, this one's stuck under the pivot. 821 is trying to cross. It looks as though as it appears to have broken this downtrend and retested similar to Gala. All the indicators are up, but a little sideways. You know, this is really, really close. Whoever brought this up, I think Ash, one of those. Who brought it up? One of y'all brought it up, and this is a good look here, okay? Because it got that 821 cross. I just want to see it break and hold $20. I'm sorry, $21. Break and hold 21. If you can do that, it's a good sign because it puts us over the pivot, which would move us into more bullish territory. It's just not quite there yet. It's so close. Hasn't quite broken that one little line left. Not bad though, okay? It is an early buy. Okay. See if we can find Champ. NFT champions. All right. This looks like it's going to go sideways or down. This is a falling knife if I've ever seen it. It's not quite there yet. All the charts kind of looking sideways at the moment. That RSI is stuck between 40 and 50. Yeah, this looks sideways. I'd put a cap on it at 18 cents for NFT champs. Dreams. One of the two. This could be Dream Quest or Dreamscape. I don't know what it are. This is a fallen knife for sure. It hasn't done anything good yet. It looks like Klama. Please. Nope, no chart for pleased, so I can't do anything with it. Stackos. There it is. All right, indicators getting a little touchy here on this one, but as you see, last several days, this thing has moved up well. Again, right to the 50 fib. See that? Again, right there on the edge of not working. So close, but so far at the same time. This is very touchy because of that. It's right on the edge of failing. It needs to break and hold this box. It'd be so much better if it... Oh, damn, Tony, bro. I'll get to you in a second. So much better if it broke that. Just hasn't quite done it yet, man. That's right there on the edge. It's really, really close. Let's bear with it, okay? I'm not super sold on it yet. I was hoping that was on there. IAG. Igon, Fallen Knife, no thank you. H-bar. All right, Binance. 103 viewers, let's go. Thank you, everybody. Another time over 100, that's fucking dope. 94 likes, 6 more for 100 likes. H-bar looks pretty good here, okay? It's got the similar price action where this one hasn't gotten to the 50 yet, though, okay? And it's over the pivot and over the 821. All the indicators are moving up. I like H-bar better than some others here. Needs to break this last little trend line, okay? I can still see that one not quite doing what it needs to do just so yet. Not quite there yet. It's close. Not quite. Okay, be careful. CRV. I know this one's bad. I don't need to look. Nope, CRV still going down, brother. We don't have anything good to look at other than an early buy on the 821, but not a confirmed buy. Planets. All right. No, definitely not on planets. That one doesn't look good at all. Arrow. Nope. On there. Aaron. I don't know about this one. This Arrow, right? Yeah, Arrow. Yeah, it's Arrow token. Now, both of these I'm not too sure about either. These charts don't look very good for either one of these. Jewel. Have a gander at that one. All right, back up a second here. MRI. Let me try to look for that one. Hey, Miss Beverly, good to see you. AVAX. PYR. DAG. Yeah, that's a good one. I just dyslexia the hell out of that. Wrote that backwards. What an idiot. Crypto After Dark Ages. Crypto After Dark Ages. Ooh, I could. Oh, that's a good one. Not gonna do it, Cad. Not gonna do it, Fib. Crypto Fib tried to get me to look at a dog coin. I'm not gonna do it, bro. That's how you get me suckered into drinking. Lev says, can you check out? Done that one. Node Savage, $50. Thank you, Tony. Tony, the motherfucking Node Savage, bro. Let's go. One more like for 100, y'all. Come on. Not bad. Not bad. Again, it's a little bit of a smooth, little bit of bite. It's got a little bit more bite than Four Roses. That's what I'll say. You know, Four Roses is a touch smoother. This one's got a little bit more grab on the end. Oh, there it is. 101 likes. Let's go. Thank you guys. That's awesome. Apple. Let's do Apple. That's a good one, Kingman. All right. Proppy, CGG coin, pass down. 101 like. Thank y'all. That's awesome, dude. Boom. Good job, viewers. Thank you, Terry. All you have to do is join and find out. It's all discussed in different channels of the Discord. He doesn't talk about it in the streams anymore. Yeah, absolutely, Levy. We talk about Lev. We talk about it all over. If Jeremy or Miss Beverly or Frank, will y'all put a link up here for the Discord in the chat so everyone can have access to it? The general chat is free. Okay, that's still free. Only thing we charge for is the rest of the channel. You get for the general chat, you get the announcement sections, the live streams, the indicators, not the indicators, the instructional videos, and the general chat. That's for the free. That's for the free part of the Discord. The rest of it is $8 or $16. $8 open up about 60% of the Discord. $16 fully opens everything. And we're going to have more channels coming soon too. Again, I'm a video game buff, and I haven't been able to play video games in a really long time. I'd like to be able to get back into some of that. I think we're going to add a video game section to the Discord where we can talk about video games. We can post up some streams and shit like that, some Twitch streams and some Discord streams and stuff like that. We can use the live video streams that we have in there already, the video rooms, for that kind of stuff. We can do some group events together, you know what I mean, and have some group continuity. I think that'd be fun. Greg Fowler Fitness at 50, enjoying life. Let's get pumped. First time here, check soul. Okay, you didn't have to yell at me, bro. You have to scream, dude. All right, let's look at these. First thing, let's do AVAX because Justin asked for it, and he's important. All right, same problem. Good news and bad news is this thing did the same thing as Gala, where it bounced off the pivot and jumped up. Problem, still hasn't broken that blue trend line yet. So close, but not quite there. Not bad, though. Again, if you've been in this, there's nothing wrong with being in it, but just be mindful that that thing is flirting with disaster. Like very, very carefully. Good news is all the indicators are kind of slowly pointing up. Now, if we look at the weekly, you see something different. You see indicators trending down. In fact, you have bearish divergence or bearish convergence on all these indicators where they're not quite panning out the way you'd want. Weekly, though, AVAX has jumped over the pivot, which would be at $88. So I like to see it stay $88 long term until next week, which also happens to be the 8 EMA. Makes sense. PYR. All right. Okay, this one's not as bad. This has got a good look to it, actually. Could be flat based on that MACD and RSI. But again, you got a good 821. We're just making lower highs. I like the inverse head and shoulders. I think someone else mentioned that as well. Good inverse head and shoulders formation here, and you don't have a ton of resistance, which I like. Also, the pivots have gotten tight. That typically means you're going to make a run out of this. And since we're in a bullish trade right here where it's going over the 821 with a good 821 cross, I like the prospects more than I like it less. So I would say PYR is good for now. DAG. No, not quite ready for DAG yet. It's kind of gone sideways. And why? Because it went up so far so fast. It's been consolidating pretty hard here. Trading sideways. It's kind of par for the course. What you're going to see is things go trading sideways whenever they go up really, really, really far or really, really, really low. They're going to trade sideways for a bit there as an opportunity to pick up new buyers and new sellers. Kind of the way it works. It did jump over to the 8 and 21 and make a 821 early buy. Still not confirmed yet. And again, all the other indicators are kind of sideways. You are under the pivot. I don't like that. Apple. Let's go. Boy, oh boy, did that thing recover. Now, you still made a lower high here. All right? Still not out of the woods yet. You made a lower high. You are over the pivot, but not quite out of the water. I need this thing to get up off this lower high and get up over R1. It did jump over the pivot and created a gap. I don't like that. Shit. You know, this kind of looks like it's going to come down some more. Yeah, fade in volume. Yeah. Ah, man, that sucks, dude. It's got a pennant forming. It's going to take a while to form that pennant out. Okay. Let's see a pennant right here. See that? I don't like that. That needs a break. I'd wait on that to break first before I took any options or anything. Early buy? Yes. Confirm buy? No. Sold. I got sold. I'm super bad. All right. Soul coin. Let's get pumped. Problem is, it's not quite ready yet to get pumped. It's kind of Dana Carvey doing let's pump you up, but it's not quite ready. The 821 hasn't crossed correctly. You're under the 50 on the RSI. I don't like that. MACD flat and bearish trading currently not quite there yet. It's close, but not quite. Just the facts of it. I don't want to leave you wrong. MRI coin. I think this is the one you're talking about, and if it is, it's sideways at best on MRI. Leave that off. How about noon for rug? Oof, I'm not sure which one you mean. Not that one. You might have been talking about the time. Might have been. Probably were. But again, I get the drinking on here. I don't remember everything. Buy ha. Just asked me about a scam. This is an excellent opportunity to tell you that I don't chart scams. JB21 said over under Keith Jones 2 more times. Give me the over. Give me the over because I still have 2 more days worth of sleep to get out of my system. Okay? 1 more day of work, but 2 more days of sleep. I'm going to bank my AVAX money. Thank you. All right, Tiff, I see you. She says you can go ahead and make some change. Ignacio says Chuck Norris. Oh, when Tony donates, he gets a free Chuck Norris joke. Chuck Norris does not use spell check. If he happens to misspell a word, Oxford will change the spelling in the dictionary. Let's go. Yeah, I don't chart any scams, Baja. And what do I mean by that? Well, any company that creates a project that's not a real company, you don't get any airtime from me. Simple as that. I'm not gonna promote anything that is based on one person controlling a whole shit ton of money, whom, by the way, is not even known who they are, where they're from, or where they've been. That's a terrible idea. I wouldn't tell you to invest $1 in a company that made bubble gum that was the same way, more or less doing crypto online anonymously. That's a horrible idea, to say the least. Multiply that by however many stupid fake projects there are now, and you're just seeing how bad of an idea it becomes. Now, I don't expect you to listen to me. I don't expect you to listen to anybody. There's a new guy on YouTube now named Drew, and he goes through and blasts them all to pieces. And for the most part, he's right. A couple things he messed up on, he doesn't quite have the grasp of because he's comparing it. Then he changes comparison a bit. But the overall part is correct. Like he says in one of the videos, I give you 100 things and you find 2 things that are wrong and think I'm wrong about everything. Fully agree with that because I do the same thing here. I'll come up with a bunch of different things for happening and you'll pull out one and say, well, that isn't correct. Fuck the 99 that were, right? Exactly. Jurjai said money sign heat. And I'm not gonna chart that either because that's the exact same thing I just discussed. It is a massive scam, and I'm not gonna do anything with any scams. Sorry, just not gonna do it. Ooh, I can chart Ohm though. Hang on a second. Shakespeare, bro. What's your Street Fighter main character? Ooh, dude. It depends on which Street Fighter we're talking about. Are we talking about one of the newer ones or one of the older ones? Because it's tough. If we're talking older ones, give me Ryu. If we're talking one of the newer ones, I'm going to go straight for Street Fighter 4, and I'm going to say Yoshimitsu. Okay? Super liked Yoshimitsu. I don't know why. He was just one of my favorite, probably because he had a samurai sword. I don't know. It's just the way I am. That's what I would go with. I'm more of a Mortal Kombat guy than Street Fighter, if I'm honest. Okay? I don't know why. Mortal Kombat probably because it came out first, and I'm probably older than you. But thank you for the 10 bones, bro. Let's finish this off. You know what? That's more of a shot whiskey than a drink whiskey. More of a shot whiskey than a sip whiskey. It's just bad. No, give me Ryu. You know what I mean? I like to go different. Ryu and Yoshimitsu. And I know that's not going to be a popular opinion, but that's just the way I feel about it. Let's look at Ohm real quick, and then I want to get to CGG. CGG. See, Ryan T said Yoshimitsu. That's right. See, somebody else like Yoshimitsu. I'm with it, bro. Unpopular opinion or not, that's just me. I always thought it was cool in the credits how he cut the bamboo and it slowly fell. I thought that was really cool. Mortal Kombat sounds like Keith had a Sega, bro. Bro, don't fuck around with that Sega, bro. You don't know about no Sega Genesis. You don't know about no Sega Genesis. Stop right there where you're at. Don't even start. Don't even start, bro. We'll download emulators right now and start playing. And my all-time favorite Mortal Kombat character? Easy layup, Scorpion. But my second one, I'm going to go with Noom Sabat from Mortal Kombat 3. Why? Because he was a shadow, dude, and it was so fucking cool that they made a character that was a shadow, and you couldn't even, he wasn't anything. He was just a shadow. And I thought that was dope as hell, man. So give me Noom Sabat as my wild card favorite, all-time favorite Scorpion. I remember the finishing move for Mortal Kombat 1 for Scorpion. It was hold start, up, from the striking position. Pull the mask off, spit his fire, burns you alive. Fucking awesome, dude. Thought it was the coolest thing I ever seen, dude. Sub-Zero? Nah, bro. Sub-Zero is lazy, dude. That's a lazy pick. I don't like it. All right, so Ohm here has slowly found a consolidation point, which I like. It's stuck around $70. It keeps bouncing back and forth between 68 and 80, which is roughly around 72 or 73. Right now, it's right at 72. That's good. That's bad at the same time because that's way down from where it was. This thing has a ton of room to recover. However, it's shown zero proof that it actually wants to recover, and more so proof that it wants to ride the floor. So long as this slow grind continues, nothing good coming from it. Weekly looks terrible, and for that matter, I'm not bullish or bearish on Ohm at all. Dead sideways. CGG. Chain Guardians. All right, so let's go to the daily. Daily has flipped bullish here. Similar to Gala, similar to a couple others that we see. We got that inverse head and shoulders pattern. I like this one a little better because it's over the pivot with room to run to R1 at least at 85 cents. All the indicators look fair to Midland. I'll take it. Worst case Ontario, this thing fails back to the pivot at 65 cents. Not bad. I like CGG because of that. Thank you for whoever brought that up. Gonna check out Zap. Sure, we can check out Zap. Cabal. Okay, Cabal isn't a bad pick. Matthew Moore with a Sub-Zero also. Dude, you Canadians let me down over and over, bro. Well, over and over. Every time I think you guys are going to get a leg up, you do something like picking Sub-Zero. Not cool, bro. Bro, don't. Yuri Jai just asked me, do I remember the blood code? ABACABB. Don't fuck with me, dude. Of course I remember the blood code. ABACABB. Are you serious right now? And you did that during the screen of the hieroglyphics. ABACABB. Come on, guy. I remember all the finishing move codes. I remember them all. Baraka. Dude, I forgot about Baraka. That's great. Oh my God, dude, that's great. Look what Jeremy put. MK2. Down, up, left, A, right, down. Bro. Do you remember Raiden? His finishing move was forward, back, C. And that would shoot the electrical bolt in his head and blow him up. Bro, that shit is hard, dude. Oh my God, that's listen. You guys don't ever know. That brings back good memories from my childhood, okay? Sega Genesis brings back good memories. That was some of the happiest times as a kid. Melina, I don't hate Melina. That wasn't bad. Bro, right X will ruin friendships with Raiden because he shoots the fucking lightning bolt. I don't know if you remember when that, like Mortal Kombat 4 come out, but you could go forward back with Scorpion. He would jump through the screen and come back on the other side of the screen. He would jump from one side to the other. Bro, it was so hard to beat. You could throw the get over here chain at the same time, swap sides real quick, and then throw the get over here chain again and go back and forth, and you would literally never be able to get a punch in. It was like a glitch. Love that, dude. Pissed people off. Oh my God, dude. Anybody come over the house ready to fight. Bought that game with my own money too. Cut grass all summer long to earn the money for that shit. Zap looks awful. This is a terrible looking chart. I would not buy this with borrowed money. No, thank you. Yes, the new Mortal Kombat movie was dope as shit. I know people talk shit about it. I loved it, dude. I thought it was great. I like the fact that some of the good guys died because it made me like, it made me want to watch it more. When some of the good guys die, that's awesome, dude. It's awesome. Katana was hot looking, bro. Katana with them damn fans. Listen, I remember Jeremy might have done this. Starburst skating rink over here in Gastonia used to have a Mortal Kombat game over there in the kiddie section. There was a little kiddie rink for you to go over there and play for the kids to skate. They took that away and they put video games over there. And they have Mortal Kombat and NBA Jam. Listen, we ain't going to talk about how great some of the world was. But back then, dude, when you had Mortal Kombat and NBA Jam at the same fucking time, dude, give me $3 and I'll disappear at the arcade for a hot minute. Between playing NBA Jam with Larry Johnson and Alonzo Mourning and then jumping over and playing with Scorpion on Mortal Kombat. Shut up, dude. I couldn't. Oh, that's amazing memories. Starburst Skating Rink, Gastonia. Jeremy knows about it. Bro, look. Abso-fucking-lutely ruled that machine. Oh my God, it's good times, dude. We're having an old people reunion right here talking about old video games. XRP has a 7 yes on the Assassins panel and above pivot. It's a no, but okay, let's look at it real quick. That's a good question. Right, okay, so the problem that I have with it is, amongst other things, yes, you have a go on the cloud, and I like this. And you have that inverse head and shoulders formation. I like that. I don't like that it's still below trend. Not to mention, on the high time frame, it doesn't look great. So I like the cloud. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate you like the cloud. I think it's going to go sideways. That's what gets me. I don't want you to get stuck in a sideways piece of shit. Okay, could happen. We start to look at the higher times. We take away this cloud and look at the higher times and just see this trend line here. Whoa. Go back. There we go. Pull this trend line from here to here. From that way, it's a no-go. From this way, it's a no-go. It's still no. It's still a lower high. Close. Don't get me wrong. Close. But it's not quite there yet, okay? It's just not quite there yet. And until we get there, I got to say no. I just have to. I want to give it a yes. I do. But I feel like it was a little too fast, a little too quick. Got that same inverse head and shoulders formation, only this one has resistance at a lower level, which is going to cause it to get hung up a bit. And since it's going to get hung up, it's going to slow down. And when it slows down, it's going to make you mad because it doesn't go as fast as it did the other day. We don't want the chart to go fast. We prefer a slow, steady grind up. Why? Because this makes us more money this way, because the chart will hold its levels instead of losing them on the way back, okay? Very important to remember that. Boomers, dude. I watched my dad play Mortal Kombat 4 when I was like 9 years old. Bro, exactly. Talk all this shit we need, but I'll never forget that stuff. If it's bounced between R1 and R2 when things are in there too, exactly. It's kind of bouncing back and forth, slapping back and forth. I grew up on the Game Boy SP and PSP. Dude, we had the original Game Boy in black and white playing Paperboy. Dude, the big head code on NBA Jam was one of them. You could type in AIR, ABC, well, on Sega, and you could get AirDog, which was one of the game developers. You could type in CLT and get Bill Clinton. You could type in, FNK and get P Master Funk. There's a couple other codes too you could put in. but you could play as different characters. They had little codes built in so you could do it. So cool, dude. So cool. You remember if you made 3 shots in a row, you got on fire, and you could block every shot and it wouldn't be goaltending, and you never run out of turbo. So you could get on fire. And if you got somebody like, you could play with the Magic, which was a bit of a cheat code itself because you had Shaq and Scott Skiles. Dude, Scott Skiles, he was a 96 3-point shooter. You remember P-Funk? He was a 96 3-point shooter on NBA Jam. So you make almost every 3. So if you got some open shots and you hit 3 in a row, you're on fire, and you got Shaq to get rebounds for you. Even if you miss, you got Shaq to get rebounds, and Shaq dunks everything. He could dunk from the 3-point line, right? So fucking good, dude. Such a good original game. There was nothing else like it. Bro, Bill Clinton. I used to love to play with Bill Clinton because Bill Clinton dunked well. He dunked well. He didn't shoot good threes. And Air Dog, he used to hit those layups. He would always make his layup. He never missed a layup. He was a 99 on that. That's good shit, dude. I remember that stuff. That's old school. You kids don't know. IB. Let me see if I can find IB. Advanced alloys. Ooh, I don't know about this one. This one, not very good volume, and the earnings report looked like it came back bad. There is a CME gap up here around 24 cents. I do like that, but not much better than that. The old Simpsons 4-player arcade game was the best. In my arcade, one of those buttons under the front panel let you play that game for free, right? Listen. We can go way back, Yuri. Okay. Jordan versus Bird in the NBA playoffs. The reason Jordan wasn't on NBA Jam was because of that game. He went on his own and marketed himself. Jordan versus Bird in the NBA playoffs. He came out with that game. He had Magic versus Bird in the NBA playoffs. That was a second offshoot of it. Don't fuck with me, guys. Don't fuck with me on the video games. My culture, my generation pioneered video games. Iron Bank. Okay. I got you. I'm sorry. My generation, you know what? We didn't invent them. I'll say that. But we did take them to the next level. We took them to the next level. Iron Bank USD. Since we took them to the next level, I'm taking credit for that shit. This is a good looking chart on Iron Bank. Big Dex. Interesting play here. I like the fact that it's done what it's done. Jumped over. The RSI is kind of high, and this gives me pause. It makes me think it's going to go sideways. Even then, you're okay because that's still over the 821 and it's over R2, but stuck under R3, so still not bad. All right, so look, 11:59. We have 1 minute left. I want to encourage everybody to do something, please. If you would, if you get time, jump over to the Discord. Someone, I think Miss Beverly just shared the Discord. Jump over there real quick. We have a donations wallet. I'm donating some money and donating some nodes. That's what we're doing this time. I got a good friend who lives over here near me who's having kidney replacement. He's having a kidney transplant. Had to quit his job. Money's going to get really tight on him. They got a family of 5, 3 sweet, awesome little kids, man. He's a really good dude, and he doesn't deserve this shit he's getting, okay? Good people don't deserve this kind of shit, but it continues to happen to him. I'm not cool with it, man. Some of the worst people in the world, they never have anything go bad with them. That tears me up. It pisses me off. Bo's a good guy. Okay, he doesn't deserve what's happening to him. He's a good dad. He's got a good wife. He's got 3 cool kids. He doesn't deserve this shit, okay? So we're putting together a reward wallet for them. Anyone who'd like to donate to it, it's over in the Discord. It's in the announcements section. It's also in the general chat, but you can see the address in the announcements section. If you need it, just hit me up and I'll get it to you. If you'd like to donate. If not, you don't have to worry about it. It's fine as well. Either way, we're going to do some awesome stuff. I got a laptop here to set up for him after the stream. I got a MetaMask wallet to set up, and I've got a Nano ledger to set up, a whole bunch of stuff. So big things coming this month and next month. We got more to do next month. Thank you guys very much. I'll leave you with this. If you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, like the late great notorious B.I.G. said, I appreciate that shit, y'all. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all in the next stream. Thank y'all very, very much, man. Y'all are the best. I'll see y'all then.